Welcome back to Cars View, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into electric cars, not just how they run, but how to keep them running like new. If you own an EV or plan to buy one, stick around. This video is packed with must-know tips to make your EV last longer, perform better, and save you money. No more oil changes, but that's not the whole story. Most EVs don't have internal combustion engines, which means you can say goodbye to oil changes. But that doesn't mean zero maintenance. EVs still have fluids like brake fluid, coolant for the battery, and sometimes transmission fluid, all of which need regular checks and occasional replacement. Battery health is everything. Your EV's battery is like its heart. And just like with any heart, proper care is key. Avoid charging to 100% all the time, aim for 80 to 90% for daily driving. Also, try not to let it drop below 10%. Heat is your enemy, park in the shade and don't fast charge too often unless you have to. Brake maintenance, yes, you still need it. Electric vehicles use regenerative braking, a system that helps slow down the car and recharge the battery. This reduces wear on your brake pads, but it doesn't eliminate it. Brake fluid should still be flushed every 2 to 3 years, and the pads inspected regularly, especially if you drive in hilly or high-traffic areas. Tire wear can be faster in EVs. EVs are heavier and offer instant torque, a combo that eats tires faster than traditional cars. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles and keep them properly inflated. Check tread depth frequently and consider investing in EV-specific tires if available. Watch out for cabin filters. Clean air inside the car matters. Replace the cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year. This is especially important if you live in dusty areas or drive through city smog often. 6. Software updates, not just a bonus. Many EVs receive over-the-air (OTA) updates that improve performance, add features, and fix bugs. Always keep your car connected to Wi-Fi and install updates as soon as possible. It's like giving your car a free tune-up. 7. Keep an eye on the cooling system. The battery, inverter, and sometimes the electric motor are cooled by liquid systems. Coolant degradation can lead to overheating or reduced performance. Check the coolant level regularly and change it based on your manufacturer's recommendation, usually every 5 years. Don't ignore the charging port. Dirt, debris, and even insects can make their way into your EV's charging port. Clean it gently with a dry cloth, and never use water. Also, inspect the cable and plug for damage. A faulty connector can cause charging issues or even safety hazards. High voltage system safety. Electric cars have powerful high voltage systems. Never attempt to service these components yourself. Even opening certain panels can be dangerous. Always take your EV to a certified technician for major issues. Keep a maintenance log. Even if your EV requires less service than a gas car, keep track of what you do and when. This not only helps with resale value but keeps you ahead of any long-term issues. And there you have it. Electric cars are revolutionary, but they still need love and care. Got a tip we missed or an EV story to share? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Cars View, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our automotive insights. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.